What do you guys think will happen if I decide to chase them? I mean, I kind of want to do it, but then I kind of feel bad because they're just minding their own business. Like, there's no need. Or is there? I'm actually kind of scared getting this close because I feel like it's out of nowhere. It's just gonna jump at me and be like, "Caw!" Yeah, that totally sounds like a bird. I'm gonna test something really stupid. 3, 2, 1. It didn't work. Now I'm scared. Ah! Are they just gonna stand there? Are they really just... Oh my god. What are you doing? What are you doing? Don't you backtalk me. Disrespectful. Better listen to what I'm saying, me. Oh, I don't think they care anymore. I really don't think they care anymore. Stop it! That's what I thought. Hit your head with your foot. That looks normal. I'm gonna see how close I can get. I'm gonna see how close I can get. How close can I get without getting jumped? How close until they try to kill me? You know, I'm feeling pretty safe right here. You know, there's no need to go closer, right? Psych. This is Crocodile Hunter, new and improved. Stop it. I already know my battery's dying, but it doesn't matter. Crocodile Hunter, 2018. I'm scared to walk up to them. I'm just staring at bird butt right now. And I could barely see my screen because for you guys in the video it's gonna look normal, but for me it's extremely dark, so I can't tell if I'm recording it properly. I'm gonna stick to the road. I'm tempted to just run out. Oh, they're going a little faster now. They're going just a little bit faster. Okay, I'm starting to speed walk. I'm gonna see if it does anything. By the way, guys, they're building a new house there. I don't know if that's interesting to you guys. Hey, bird. Bird, I'm talking to you. Hey, bird. Hey, bird. And the camera doesn't look like much, but I am so close to these guys right now. Hey, bird. By the way, if you haven't noticed, I've slowed down. There's the other one. Okay, I'm gonna start speed walking again. I don't think they care. Okay, he got a little scared. Random car back there, but it doesn't matter. Alright, I'm gonna chase him. I'm gonna chase him. I'm gonna chase him. This is probably the most boring video. Where you going there? Huh? Where you going there, huh? Hey? Okay. I feel like this is close enough. Or is it? I'm literally like 5 feet away from these birds right now. I can run faster than you think, good birds. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this randomness. I need to exercise more because I can't run that long. But this is TSS16, and I'll see you in the next vid.